another video. And today, in front of us, we are trying something new that we have never tried before.
Y'all taking all the room.
I have enough room.
So today, y'all,
We are trying something new
something very new.
that we've never tried.
Went all out the box. Y'all know we love some food. Y'all
Yes,
know
we
love
haven't
some
know.
food.
We don't know what it looks like. We only seen what it looks like in the picture.
So we got Krazy Waffle. We got Krazy Waffle.
Yep.
So, you ready to open it?
And I don't we want to tell them what we ordered?
Duh.
I don't
We
know.
got the spicy chicken sandwich.
I think something.
I want to see yours. She got this chocolate chip cookie.
I got a
It's
chocolate
so
chip
good.
cookie with
It looks
1
yum.
scoop of vanilla ice cream, chocolate
I'm ready to
syrup.
open.
And, okay, 3, 2.
Girl, what are we gonna eat? We need forks and stuff. Our drinks. I'm thirsty. I need my tea.
Boy, if you don't get
I'm hungry.
Oh, there you go, this stuff.
I'm too excited.
Today. No, I'm kidding. Actually, some water.
You better get you some water, girl. Right here, my sweet tea.
Of course, her sweet tea.
Now we're gonna check it out. Look, I think that's what I ordered too.
Actually, I think we're gonna get spicy.
It got like some chicken and avocados. I love me some avocados. Y'all know I love
Oh!
my chicken. Avocados. Y'all know I love
Oh!
my chicken. Really?
Nope.
Ah.
Ready to open? Baby?
Oh, it came with a spoon and fork. This
And
looks
it came with a fork and
super
spoon.
good. Ooh, that's
Krazy
good.
Waffle. Yours is all wrapped up nice.
Are you gonna eat the pickle?
Look at mine, y'all. Check mine out.
That looks so good. I want the pickle. I'm not a pickle fan. but
Chicken,
that pickle looks good.
avocado, bacon, waffles.
Forget
Show
that.
me-
That pickle looks
Show
good.
me yours, babe.
This.
Chocolate.
Let me see what you got in that.
that.
Let me see what he got. Let's see what Dad got. You gonna open it?
Bruh.
Ooh. You can barely see it. Ooh.
I had got like what? Cocoa stuff? What'd you put on yours? Cocoa pebbles and what's that at?
Cocoa Pebbles. Yabba dabba delicious.
Are you gonna eat the pickle?
Duh.
I'm not a big fan of pickles, but that pickle is good.
That's what's for me. This chicken looks good.
It's soft too. I don't know.
I think it's huge.
Y'all smell
Krazy
so
Waffle,
good.
y'all really, it's a good size. It's a good portion. What I got?
Come with some ice cream with it. What?
That's nothing but sweets. Nothing but sweets.
No.
Oh no, I gotta have me some chicken.
Chicken!
Really?
How can I do it right now?
Y'all ready? First bite.
Is that avocado? Ew. Avocado's good, but not.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah, food. Y'all food is good.
I've been waiting all day on
Chocolate
this.
chip cookies?
All day. I ain't wasting no
They gave them
time.
a mint.
Now we finally got the Krazy Waffle
They
ready.
give me a mint.
Nope.
I ain't wasting no time.
Man, they didn't give me a mint.
I had to go crazy.
Go crazy. A little bit.
Mmm. Is that chocolate chip in your waffle?
Chocolate chips and cocoa pebbles.
Cocoa Pebbles too.
Trim.
Can't eat that Krazy Waffle without going crazy.
Okay.
On the waffles.
Y'all went towards the crazy look. I went for my chicken. I seen chicken, I went for it. Mmm.
Ooh, that spicy chicken looks good.
But, the chicken's good.
You really gotta rub it in like
Like,
that.
I don't really do chicken. I don't really do food plus,
Yes,
like, put
you do
sweet in that?
chicken.
like, I don't like sweet. Like, I can't do chicken and waffles.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, this good.
Is it good? You got spicy too, huh?
This is the truth.
That's where I should have went. I should have did.
I told you.
I
3
wonder if I can
times.
do spicy next time. Put a spicy chicken on my waffle.
This is the truth.
Get some hot sauce.
Okay, Krazy Waffle. Okay. Mmm. This is so good.
So good.
And y'all, it really looks like the pictures.
Mm-hmm.
It really does, don't it?
Yeah.
You know
Don't
how
lie.
you know? Yes, they do lie.
Well, these pictures.
Yeah, these pictures didn't lie. They're good.
Hers is messy.
Mine?
Cause all that ice cream. I thought the ice cream was gonna melt by the time we got home, but it didn't. Thumbs up for that. It really didn't melt. This chicken is good. I need a little spice on it. I should have got spicy chicken.
Get some hot sauce.
Oh,
That looks really good though.
you try it?
Yeah.
That's what you.
And you got spicy chicken?
I was waiting for you to ask me.
Chicken nuggets is like my family.
That's the truth, I'm telling you.
And you got a mint.
You wanna try
I
mine?
didn't get a mint.
You wanna try a piece? Tear it down. That is good. I don't know about these cookies. I'm gonna try this chicken though.
The chicken.
I'm gonna try a piece of this chicken. Mmm.
Guacamole on there.
Yeah, he don't like guacamole.
Mmm. It's good for you.
Is it? Oh,
Please don't tell me.
Ooh, the spicy chicken is what it is. I don't know about that. But Krazy Waffle. Yeah, that's spicy for sure. Like a little,
I don't know what it started on this one, cause this looks.
Take it like a piece at that end. No! Take like a piece at that end. Take like a piece at that end. With the chicken. It's amazing. It's so big too. Krazy Waffle. Y'all really crazy over there. Like chicken. He don't like guacamole, but tell him it's good for you. It's good for your eyes, your bones, your skin, everything.
Your eyes. What carrots is that?
That's what Willow said. Willow always told me that. Carrots are good for your eyes?
Oh, no, man.
Even though I can't see.
Call them good that one.
Did you try the chicken with the bacon and the the whole thing?
And the guacamole.
I'm not gonna put all that stuff.
That looks so.
But you can put chocolate chips and
That
cocoa
was
pebble
enough.
on a
Hey,
spicy
that little piece
chicken.
This
was
is
good,
dinner.
Good.
You just show them what that one look like, cause y'all ain't the one why we ain't asked to try that one. Y'all ain't see what it look like. It might be good, but what it look like.
You would like to try that?
Would y'all want to have?
Y'all want to try some of that? Now that she's unpicked over it?
Nope.
What happened to my pickle?
I didn't buy that. Who? She had your butter.
Okay, shout out Krazy Waffle for hooking it up. The big dinner tonight.
Oh,
This is it. This is really it.
I'm just kidding.
I just feel like I got so much to pick up.
I don't know if I can finish all of it.
Y'all getting full already?
Check that Krazy Waffle out.
That's good, y'all.
Check it out. Check it out.
The waffle's so soft. And I'm gonna have to go back. Especially for that
Yeah, I don't think I can finish no more though. That was good.
really good.
You're almost done.
Shout out Krazy Waffle. They put me some extra fruity pebbles on the side.
Oh, did they? So nice. My cereal later on.
Not no more.
Okay, Krazy Waffle.
And they gave you a pickle in a mint.
If y'all in the 254 area, y'all need to hit up this place.
Man, I'm finna try a piece of hers, man.
Want some?
I'm finna try a piece of this one. Let me see.
Go ahead. It's too late. Go back now.
Get some ice cream in it too.
Ranch and chicken. That looks like a lot of chocolate.
It
She gonna be up for hours.
is. Actually, I get tired when I eat.
Hey, that's good.
Told you.
Man, that's good. Man, I gotta get another piece. They didn't get to see that.
I want another piece.
I didn't even put that up close enough to the
But
camera.
they seen it once. This
Another
chicken,
piece.
y'all. This chicken.
Show the people another piece.
Another piece of her plate.
Bruh.
It's good, y'all.
Alright, check this out, peeps. It's another piece.
Look at all that chocolate.
Oh,
It's the bomb.
Twisted around.
you wanna see me eat that, don't you? I know it. I'm gonna go on bite.
I try to tell you. You want to dig in?
No. I'm getting full off mine over here too.
Can I get a piece of chicken? Please?
Wanna try?
I don't know what she got, but it's good.
Yeah, she got the chocolate chip
Ice cream.
ice cream waffle. You can customize your own waffles, is what it says. You can.
I got
No.
the spicy chicken, and I went crazy. I added cocoa pebbles and chocolate chip cookies.
And then you got
The chicken, bacon, avocado. Chicken, avocado, ranch. Chicken, avocado, ranch.
I got chocolate
Carb.
chip cookies with some chocolate syrup and 1 scoop of ice
full,
cream
y'all.
with some waffles.
This is how much I ate.
Can I try a piece of
Did y'all enjoy dinner tonight?
can I try some of your chicken?
I'm full.
So nah, that spicy chicken is really the truth. Damn. You gotta eat the bacon. Dinner was delicious. Thank you, Krazy Waffle. Comment down below where you
That
think
tastes
we
like
should
spicy.
start to go venture off. Where do you think we can go next? Something crazy. We like to do crazy. Crazy is us.
Crazy as a meal.
Woo, I'm full.
Excuse me.
That's why they put more pebbles.
They gave me 2.
You just taking shots of them, or what are you doing? The sugar done got to the head already. 0 to 10, what would you give Krazy Waffle? What would you give him?
10.
A 10? It was like the picture, it looked just like the picture and everything. I couldn't even finish all of it because it was so good. It's just so good. Krazy Waffle, I give y'all a 10. Y'all didn't let me down on nothing, y'all. What do you give them?
They gave him a mint, a pickle, 2 things.
They gave you a pickle?
I want the pickle.
Yeah.
I want the pickle.
No, I want the pickle. She already had a pickle.
I didn't have a pickle.
Thank you. Yeah, you did. Quit lying.
I ain't gonna lie, man. They took care of me.
They sure did.
Everything was nice. I give them 11.
11.
I said 20.
Okay,
Yeah,
Krazy
that's
Waffle.
I said 20.
Okay. Yeah.
Go check them out.
You know,
We'll prove.
BNF gonna put you on the
Oh, yeah, I
map.
got a new t-shirt.
Y'all in the 254 area, you know, hit Krazy Waffle up. They will not let y'all down. So good to us. I'm so full.
The pickle's so good.
Hey, give me some of that pickle.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell
You
them
didn't share
about,
me chocolate?
tell them about the new stuff that you got going on.
Leia, I got my very own channel. Why are you pointing at my pickle for?
Let me say some. Talk to them while I get your pickle.
I got 2 pickles. I
Just
got.
I have 2 pickles. I have 2 pickles today. Hey, hey.
I'm done with this video. Y'all,
Alright, y'all go make sure y'all press the button down below and hit that thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell.
Don't forget to check out Krazy Waffle.
Yeah, check out Krazy Waffle.
we love you guys. Thank you again, Boss Nation Familia. We out of here. I'm done. I'm full. So full.